Hello, welcome. Let's find solution to this together. Let's read together and go through it together. Find a number of two digits which exceed 4 times the sum of each digit by 3 and which is increased by 18 when each digit are interchanged. Remember, a two-digit number could be any number that can be 91, 16, 18, 45, 35, and 69. All these are two-digit numbers. Among these two-digit numbers, maybe one of them could be the answer. So we are finding these numbers, which maybe if we are just asked to think about, I might be thinking about this, you will be thinking about this, someone will think about it. It means our answers will be different. So for us to be able to get the same answer, we all assume these numbers to be a variable. No matter the variable we find, we will come back to a singular answer. So if we are going to replace my answer, I have the first digit is 6 by x. The second digit is 9 by what? Y. Looking at this is xy, which means algebraically as what? X times y. So to put a difference between this, so that when you see this, you will not denote this to be x times y. We have to look at the place value of the digit you are looking for. 6 is a digit, is a symbol. 9 is a digit, is a symbol. But when put together, it becomes 69. 69. That's 60 as the tens column, 9 as what? The ones column. So this is 69, which means the same as 69 in this case. So if I write this, you may misinterpret that. So I am going to say that the first digit is 6 times 10 plus what? 9 times 1 as their place value. So the place value of this is 10. So 10x, place value is 1, 1y. So the number I am thinking about, you are thinking about, is 10x plus y, which you may write as what? 10n plus m, where the n and m are just variables you are using. So this number is here. Find a number which is two digits, which exceed. To exceed means that more than. Look at it, a number that exceed. So to exceed 4 times the sum, which exceed 4 times the sum by what? 3. If we are sharing oranges and my share exceed yours by 3, meaning that when I add 3 to yours, I should be getting mine. Or when I subtract 3 from mine, the number you have should be the same. Do we get it? So if this number exceed 4 times, meaning this number should be equals to 4, what is it, by 3, 3 plus 4 times the sum of the digits. All right. So we let x, y be the digit. So if xy is a digit, that means that your xy is actually the same as what? 10x plus y as the number. This is a number. Then sum of digit is going to be x plus what? Y. So we are saying that the number we are looking for is what? X, 10x plus y is equals to 4 times, right? The sum by what? 3. This number exceeds this by 3. Meaning, if you take away 3 from here, you get 4 times the sum of each digit. Or when you add the 3 to 4 times the sum of the digit, you come back to the number itself. So let's expand and see. 10x plus y, 4 times x. 4x, 4 times y, 4y plus what? 3. We can group further and have our 10x, bringing the 4x here as negative, plus y. When this comes, negative 4y. Let's just leave a 3 in there and see. This will be giving you 6x minus 3y by subtraction equals to 3. This is an equation involving two variables, but I can see that there's a common factor of 3, 3, 3, 3. 3 here, 2x. 3 here, y. 3 here, 1. So that's equation 1. The statement end here by 3. End. So let's say find a number of 2 digits and which is increased by 18. To increase this number by 18 is to add 18 to it, which is increased by 18 when each digit are interchanged. When the digits are interchanged, it means the y comes first before the x. So if I have yx, that's a change of digit. And if that's a change of digit, this is just a digit. We need a number, which is going to be 10y plus what? X. This is also showing the change, interchange of the digit. So let's go. When we increase the number by 8, so right here, when the number is increased by 18, it is the same as what? The reversing the digit, it's the same, or it is the same. Okay. Those having the English semantics can correct us in the comment section. So let's go. What do we have? The number is x, which is 10x plus y. We increase that by 18. That should be equal to the reverse of the digit, just like we have from here. This will also help us to form an equation. 10x, bringing this in as minus x. Y, bringing this in and minus, this will be 10y. Let's transpose this to become what? Negative 18. I can see 9x here, minus 9x equals to minus 18. When we divide by 9, this is y, right? This will give you y. Dividing by 9 will give you x minus y equals to negative 2 as what? Equation 2. So we need to solve equation 1 and 2 simultaneously. So solving the two equations simultaneously, I can see the coefficient of y being the same. So I can easily eliminate the y. Since the signs are different, I perform subtraction. So let's see, I have equation 1 minus equation 2. 2x minus x will give you x. Minus y minus y will be 0, equals 1 minus negative 2 will give you 3. So x is 3. We need a y also. So let's say put x equals to 3 into equation 2, right? So this is going to be 3 minus y equals to negative 2. When we transpose this and transpose this, we can have our y equals to what? 5. So bear in mind the number you're looking for is xy, meaning where is the x? X is 3, y is what? 5. That will give you 35. So we can conclude and say that the two-digit number is going to be 35. Remember what we are looking for. The check is that the number 35 should be equals to 4 times the sum of each digit plus 3. So this is going to be 4 times 8 plus 3, 32 plus 3, 35, which is the same as this. So this is actually the number we are looking for. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.